Let's just go back a little more. So we talked about placement planning meeting at the beginning. So after your placement planning meeting, one thing that happens in your placement planning meeting is that you would also agree on PDPs. PDPs is what is called personal developmental plan. So everyone is expected when you enter a new rotation, you need to have something in your mind, that you want to gain. So most times what people advise is that when you're going for your placement planning meeting, have your PDPs written down in a book or something. So you can just discuss it alongside your placement planning meeting. And then you have used one stone to kill two birds. And when you come back, you document it. So that place I clicked on is where you go to. So you can now click on add a PDP idea. So it depends on the number. Some people will say have 3, some people will say have 4. I feel the sweet spot is 3, not 4 or 5, because it might be too much, because you need to achieve everything. So for example, let me use myself. I think one of my PDPs was the same thing, to understand communication differences. I noticed that it was a developmental need. What actions did I want to take? I was saying I will attend some linguistic courses, which was hosted then by NHS England. You have a target date and how you demonstrate success. So how will you demonstrate success? You can say, I will write a learning log entry showing improvement in my communication skills. Anything. Your PDPs are yours. So what I would advise here is to put things that are achievable, nothing abstract. For some people, it can be to gain more experience in this examination, to gain more experience in handling patients with mental health issues. It can be anything. But always know that for every rotation, you need to have your PDPs. You write them down. If you write this down and fill it up and save, it takes you to another window of adding another one. Okay? So I think this is something you discuss during your placement planning meeting. As you go higher in training, you will see that your PDPs become more specific because you have a lot more things to do and you have more understanding of your portfolio. But I believe you'll see more in your course and you'll see a template of the kind of PDPs you can put in your portfolio.